Did you know that 99% of the wasabi you've eaten is completely fake? That green paste at your favorite sushi restaurant? It's just horseradish dyed green. Real wasabi costs $250 per pound. And here's why it's so expensive. Authentic wasabi is almost impossible to grow. It only grows in specific mountain stream beds in Japan, where the water temperature stays exactly between 46 and 68 degrees. The plant takes 2 full years to mature, and it dies if the conditions change even slightly. Even worse, real wasabi loses its flavor in just 15 minutes after being grated. So restaurants would need to grate fresh wasabi every quarter hour, all day long. That's why even high-end sushi restaurants worth hundreds of dollars per meal still serve you fake wasabi. The real stuff is so rare and delicate that most sushi chefs have never even tasted it. Next time you eat wasabi, remember, you're probably eating horseradish that costs less than $1.